In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Capital One Quicksilver card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the Capital One Quicksilver card is extremely simple. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to acquire the card, some of the rewards included, and you will be able to find all of this available on the Capital One website. You can visit this website through a web browser on your computer or your phone. So go to capitalone.com, and when you arrive at this page, go over to credit cards. So hover over credit cards on the navigation bar at the top of your screen or tap on it and then select credit building. You will be able to find the card under the card overview here. So you have Quicksilver 1 rewards and Quicksilver secured. These cards are extremely similar, but of course they are going to have some differences. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Quicksilver 1 rewards card, which is, as the name suggests, their rewards card that you can use to earn points and get cash back. So, it is a cashback rewards card. Using it for everyday purchases is a great way to maximize benefits. So, a breakdown on how to get the most out of this card. First, earning cashback, you need to use your card for everyday purchases. Every purchase that you make is going to earn you cashback, even if it is just a little bit. That adds up over time. To manage your account, track your spending, and paying your bills on time, you will be able to manage all of this using the tools provided by Capital One, and you can receive push notifications for new purchases and monitor your balance through the app. Avoid late fees by paying your balance in full by the due date. Capital One is also going to offer AutoPay to automate your payments. To redeem your cash back, you will be able to redeem them for statement credits, getting a cashback check, redeem them with gift cards, or pay for Amazon purchases. Finally, if your card is eligible, you will also have the option to do travel rewards, as you can see here. So all that you have to do is get the card from this website, so see if you are pre-approved here, include some details on the form that you are redirected to, and once you get the results, you will be able to go ahead and apply now. To actually use the card, once you receive it and it has been properly activated, just include the 16-digit code or the full card number, the expiration code at the back or CVV, the expiration date, and finally, you will be able to include the cardholder's name to make any purchases online or when you swipe the card in store. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Capital One Quicksilver card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.